Unum Genset is an online platform for monitoring and analyzing the operation of diesel generators. Here, the parameters of the generator's operation are monitored in real time. Select a set of parameters you require from monitoring. Monitoring of group operation. Events, faults, emergencies, and warnings. Generators location and status. Monitoring of geozone units or single generators. The system stores and analyzes data to generate Genset fleet operations reports that visualize information in the form of graphs, diagrams, and tables. The number and types of reports are individually configured for each employee. Generate or get ready-made reports for the required time period. All created reports are stored in an archive and can be accessed in a convenient way. Analytics help to understand unit operation issues when a more detailed data study is required. Precise fuel consumption monitoring is one of the main system advantages. Our many years of experience in applied technologies ensure prompt data acquisition, reliable analysis, and detailed reports. By using Unum Genset, you'll increase generators' operation efficiency and optimize operating and maintenance costs. Unum Technology.